So this place is a mess right now, right? It's always a mess when I do these tanks. Uh, Today I'm putting down these tiles. I don't even know. I got them when I moved out of my roommate's place. You know, I just took them. They're adhesive backed, you know, so they should stick right on down. I'm going to put something heavy down. The mice are freaking out right now. I don't know why they don't. They were perfectly okay with this cage before I built the bigger one. And now they don't like being in it. I can't let them run on the desk like I can with the fancy mice, because they'll run right off. But, no, I'm trying to get them all relaxed. I'm going to lay these down and then put heavy stuff on them for like an hour. And usually once these girls all relax, and guys, once these girls and guys all relax, they'll go to sleep and get used to this cage, because I really want them to get used to this cage more. They're not scared, they just like the extra room. You know, there is a couple little fights going on, but it's more, this is my area right now kind of things. I got that blocked off, that little hose thing. I actually had them sleeping up, or 2 or 3 of them have been there. I'm getting them to where they come to me, but still have a couple problem cases. But yeah, one wheel on there, lots of hidey holes. I got like 14 of them in this small enclosure right now, just temporarily while I do all this. But I'm going to get back to this, and I have the tile in. See you in a couple. Having a couple little fights going on. They're going to have to get used to each other. Anyway, here's how it turned out. Well, it looks better than it is. I don't care. It's just slippery. You can see how it's much easier to clean now, or will be much easier to clean. They weren't really chewing through the floor, but this will keep all their the wetness down. And dealing with this stuff, it's pretty easy to deal with. You know, now once it's cut, bend it. There you go. That's how easy it is. And then you just rip off the backing or cut through the backing, and yeah. Then it just pushes right on down. And I mean, that's how it works. Simple, and it'll keep the floor clean. That's all I care about. Probably the only mouse cage with a, I don't want to even call it marble, whatever it is, tiled floor. How about that? Hey, what you up to? That a new smell? Yeah. Anyway, there you go. That's my update. I need to put everything back in here. And then once I pull this off, they can, they're all going to run back in here. I'm going to try moving the babies over here more. I just want to get them used to this cage. This one's still dirty. I need to clean it out. That's still dirty. That's still dirty. They're all running on my, the fancy mice are all running on my desk right now. I want to get as few mice in here as I can during this thing. But if I was to open this right now, half of them would run right in here. They just like this cage more. But yeah, it's my little update. Floor is much nicer, you know. Easier to clean anyway. It wasn't that bad. I mean, hey, what's going on? You girls are getting nervous. It's okay. So, throw everything back in here. Be done with it. And yeah. That's your update. So, it took me like 3 hours to do this, longer than I wanted it to. But they're all tuckered out. And this is the new nesting area where I'm putting their food from here on out. That's always been the water. That'll remain the water area. I don't know why they don't drink from the other one. They drink from both. but they'll pick one and stick to it. That's a baby, I think. No, it's not. And this is the play area. All fun sticks to run around. They got the 2 wheels. The saucer that they either use the heck out of it or they don't use it at all. So I figure they're still kind of paranoid. And I did clean the heck out of it so it doesn't smell like them. But yeah, here's the bedding area. They don't have any holes in that Taco Bell box, but I've seen them jump in there a couple times already. They'll eventually chew a hole through the corner wherever they want. Sometimes I put holes in the boxes for them and they make them bigger. Sometimes I don't and let them chew in it, make their own little holes. So yeah, but yeah, that's what I'm going to pretty much do from here on out. This is going to be the nesting / food area. I'm using that little basket thingy so they'll get used to it. There's a baby drinking from the water, so she can reach it. Just a bit hard, but it is high enough where she can drink it easy enough. I think that's my runt. Yeah, that's my little runt. So the fact that she's tall enough to reach that's good. That was the one I've been kind of being careful with, making sure she would be able to drink. Look at her. You're thirsty, ain't you? Yeah. So that's good. And they're going to explore all over the place. But, yeah. Let you go. Fun. Throw all these into one clip of doing the floor. That's about it. But this is what I'm running from here on out. Pretty easy.